Volvo's big data and real-time information systems. How Volvo Car Corporation integrated cloud infrastructure into its network. Volvo Car Corporation works as a global client by offering the ultimate performance in vehicles. Volvo pursued a globally allocated organization that would put storage capacities and computer processing within an arm's reach irrespective of a client's location. Also, Volvo's efforts resulted in lowering technology expenses, accomplishing acute levels of scalability, releasing creativity, and getting rid of technological restraints. Volvo was successful in its effort to interface cloud technology into its systems by manufacturing cars that are technically well-linked, data-rich IT surroundings, and by capturing data inside its manufactured cars. Volvo achieved this because of its large portion of computer processing units and radars fixed to its cars. From the braking to the chief locking network, Volvo vehicles transmit data through the cloud infrastructure straight to the manufacturer. Volvo exploits big data from the firm's cloud infrastructure to strengthen client relationships and improve manufacturing procedures. Volvo's separation from Ford in 2010 meant liberating the firm from an information technology infrastructure that comprised a variety of different frameworks and certifications. As a result, Volvo saw a need to come up with a new and unconnected information technology infrastructure. Volvo integrated its cloud infrastructure by offering better business intelligence, improving communication capacities, and elevating partnerships. How Volvo Car Corporation transforms data into knowledge. Volvo converts big data into knowledge by directing all the data flows into Volvo's database. Afterward, Volvo combines and scrutinizes it to produce meaningful information. Volvo simultaneously incorporates and separates data to yield various kinds of meaningful information. Volvo has managed to acquire early projecting information on issues such as manufacturing flaws that have not yet taken place. The big data strategy offers Volvo consumer predictions through systematic velocity or quick, nearly real-time, scrutiny. Such evaluations aid Volvo in offering improved services to its clients and surpassing its rivals. The programs used to convert big data into knowledge offer Volvo the ability to make data-driven decisions. For instance, Volvo's concentration on safety revolves around the idea of converting data into knowledge using real-time information systems. Volvo cars are among the safest across the globe, which comes from the firm's ability to analyze safety and system data gathered from them. Another example is the development of the most productive sustenance plan for Volvo cars because the company knows when vehicle parts need to be inspected or changed. Real-time information systems implemented. The real-time data systems applied at Volvo Car Corporation are global positioning systems, GPS, tracking networks, GPS output or string, and Universal Mobile Telecommunication System, UTMS. GPS tracking networks. GPS tracking networks can view the moving Volvo car in real time. The GPS tracking network has a map that shows the present location of the car. Position tracking has a vital role to play in numerous applications at Volvo. For instance, after implementing the GPS tracking networks, Volvo can categorize its customers' cars. As a result, Volvo can determine new customer requirements and assist law enforcers in monitoring certain cars when necessary. GPS output or string. The GPS receiver provides information about the latitude and longitude of the physical location, time, captions, and additional information on the vehicle applicable for navigation. With the GPS string, Volvo can make out the model of the car, along with the manufacturing and registration data. Volvo can now get details about its cars because GPS data strings comprise information conveyed in the form of the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ASCII. Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. The Universal Mobile Telecommunication System operates under connection-based technology. The UTMS is set up in a manner that all gadgets involved in this connection are transparent but not linked to both parties. Even though Volvo states that the UTMS is a time-consuming real-time information system, it has helped reduce costs for navigation and monitoring when compared to past systems. How the big data strategy gives Volvo Car Corporation a competitive advantage. The big data strategy offers Volvo a competitive edge through vendor hosting. Vendor hosting helps Volvo save a lot of money by avoiding maintenance, operation, and licensing duties and expenses. Volvo passes such responsibilities to the vendor, allowing them to do their warehousing. Another way that Volvo uses the big data strategy to its benefit is by computer processing units that use the company's database for analysis. Thus, Volvo can make modifications to the performance of its cars by improving the anti-lock brakes when the user arrives for service. The real-time systematic capacities coming from the big data strategy provide Volvo with a clear advantage over its rivals. Possessing such power as knowledge lets Volvo use the big data strategy to offer better services to its clientele. Volvo can predict the requirements of its customers from the big data strategy precisely. Volvo uses it through the First Cloud, also known as the Service Cloud. The Service Cloud is a platform that backs customer service before and while users are using their Volvo cars.